We'll be doing division with word problems and division with remainders. Brad and Bethany are getting ready for the grand opening of their baseball shop. Their aunt brought in 63 balloons for the celebration. They decided to divide the balloons equally among the 4 picnic tables that had been set out in front of the shop. Whew, that was a lot of information. How many balloons did each table get? Since that was a lot of information, let's use the cubes strategy. I see 63 and 4. Then you want to underline the question that is usually at the very end of the problem, not all the time though. How many balloons did each table get? Box any keywords. Well, I saw equally. I saw the big keyword, divide. Now I have to eliminate. It's quite a lot in here. I'm going to take all that out. We don't care that you're opening it. We don't care that the picnic tables are in front of the shop either. We just want to know how many balloons each table is getting. So we are going to be doing 63 divided by 4. All right, that's kind of tricky for me. Let's use our base 10 blocks to do it. I'm going to take my smaller number, so in this case it is the 4, and I'm going to make 4 rows on my left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with my larger number, in this case it is 63, I am going to take 63 of these cubes. So I know that for base 10 cubes or base 10 blocks, that when I have one row like this would be worth 10. So we need 60 of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 3 more because I have 3 ones, 63. 1, 2, 3. Now our goal is to get these into equal and even rows. So here I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I already know this is not going to be even. So think about it all being even straight down. That is not going to work out. I'm going to need to exchange these, and what we know about base 10 cubes is that there's 10 ones in a tenth, so I'm going to take this one away and trade it in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And same with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I still have the same amount, I just can distribute them equally now. Uh-oh. Well, that's all equal, but I know that I cannot fit 3 equally here, so this would be my remainder. Now, before we get into the remainder, let's see how I can get my answer for 63 divided by 4. What is the whole number there without a remainder? Well, you're going to look at your top row right here. So this is going to tell you what your answer is, and you'll just count up your boxes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Answer is 15, and my remainder is 1, 2, 3. I have 3 that won't fit in. 15, remainder 3. What this is telling me is that there will be 15 balloons on each picnic table, and then there's going to be 3 balloons that they can just hold on to in case one balloon pops or one flies away. Try this with 42 divided by 3. Once again, take your smaller number, in this case it is 3, and I'm going to be making 1, 2, 3 rows, and then this number will tell you how many base 10 cubes or blocks you need. We need 42, so let's get them out. 10, 20, 30, 40, and we need 2 ones. 1, 2. Now let's see if we could fit these in our 3 equal rows. So we have 10, 20, 30, Uh-oh, I have one extra that I know would not fit evenly because I can't put it here. That would not be even. I also can't turn it because it's still not even. So I'm going to have to exchange this for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's keep distributing them. Oh, we did not get a remainder this time. So our answer, 42 divided by 3, let's count up the top. So we're counting this. So our length here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14, so my answer is 14. Let me show you how you can represent this without having to draw each little square on your paper. 56 divided by 3, 3 is my smaller number, so I'm going to do the same thing and do 3 rows. So I'm putting 1, 2, 3 on my left side, and then I'll need 56 base 10 blocks. You can draw a rectangle on your paper, and we know that this represents 10, so you can even write a little 10 in there. There's 20. Now remember, this still represents 10, even though we're counting, and this is 10, 20. Don't write a 20 in here because this still represents 10 pieces. So 10, 20. There's 30. Remember, we want to get 56. There's 40, 50, and I need 6 ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What I'm noticing is that I'm going to have to do some exchanging here. I ran out of 10s that I have, and I can't get 10 with 6, so I'm going to have to do some exchanging. This 10 is going to turn into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't like how on this program they overlap, but you'll have to move them just to show all the pieces you have. But it's still not even, so I'm going to also have to exchange this in for 10 one pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put them into their equal groups. Right, make sure there's none hiding. So I see that these are not equal, so these are going to have to be a remainder. So without these two, let's put them aside for now, but don't forget about them. We are going to do the same thing and count how many are at our top. Remember, we're going right up here. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is my whole number, and then the remainder that I have that wouldn't fit in equally or evenly is 2. 18 remainder 2.